Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Levy's math rule. Now last time we looked at multiplication of integers. Now what we are going to be looking at briefly is division of integers. So division of integers. Now we will notice, okay, let's do them and then we will discover the similarities between multiplication and division of integers, alright? So we have 15 divided by 3. So they are both positive. Remember we said if there's no sign to the left of the number, then it means that the number is positive. Alright, so both of these numbers would be positive then. So these are the positive as well. So positive 15 divided by positive 3 gives us a positive 5. Alright, 3 into 15 is 5. Good? And then positive 12 divided by positive 4 gives us what? Positive 3. 3 times 4 is 12. Right? Then a negative 6 divided by a negative 2 gives us a positive 3. Right? 3 times 2 is 6. And a negative 16 divided by a negative 4 gives us a positive 4. Right? Remember we said that what? If the signs, when we're multiplying integers, if the signs are the same, if we are multiplying two numbers, whose signs are the same, then the result is positive. Alright? So let's put the positive there. So let's put this here, plus, 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 plus. Alright? So you don't have to put it there, but I'm just putting it there just for just so you can remember. Good? So we have 15, a positive 15 divided by positive 3 gives us positive 5. Positive 4 divided by positive 12 divided by positive 4 gives us a positive 3. A negative 6 divided by negative 2 gives us positive 3. And a negative 16 divided by negative 4 gives us a positive 4. Right? So the same rule applies when we are multiplying integers as when we are dividing integers, right? So the same rule applies, remember that. So we can write then, for here, when we multiply, so when we, divide two numbers whose signs are the same, whose signs are the same, we say the result is positive. Right? So we say a positive divided by a positive gives us a positive. A negative divided by a negative gives us a positive. Alright? So a positive divided by a positive gives us positive. Negative divided by a negative gives us negative. Right? So when you're dividing two numbers whose signs are the same, the result is positive. Good? Now let's go here. So we have negative 18 divided by positive 9, that gives us negative 2. Then negative 8 divided by positive 2 gives us a negative 4. Positive 14 divided by negative 7 gives us a negative 2. And positive 20 divided by a negative 5 gives us a negative 4. 5 times 4 is 20, 7 times 2 is 14, and 2 times 4 is 8. Alright? So, for here, alright, notice when we divide two numbers whose signs are different, so negative, positive, negative. Negative, positive, negative. Positive, negative, negative. Positive, negative, negative. Right? So when we divide two numbers whose signs are different, the result is negative. Alright, so when we divide two numbers whose signs are different, the result is negative. Alright, the same rule applies for multiplication. So multiplication and division of integers, they have the same rules. Okay, so just remember that. So we can write then, what should we write? When we, go ahead, so when we divide two numbers whose signs are what? Are different, the result is what? Is negative. Very good. I need G-A-T-I-V-E. Good. So when you multiply two numbers whose signs are different, the result is negative. When you divide and multiply. When we divide two numbers whose signs are the same, the result is positive. Alright? So we can write now, so a positive divided by a negative gives us a negative. And a negative divided by a positive gives us a negative. So once the signs are different, remember, once the signs are different, then the result is going to be negative. Okay? So when you multiply or divide two numbers whose signs are the same, the result is going to be positive, right? So two numbers whose signs are different, we are dividing, the result is going to be negative. Okay? So please remember that, and as usual, I encourage you to practice, right? So practice makes perfect. Okay, the more you practice, the better you become at it, and trust me, you will do well. You can do it. Alright, and so I'm encouraging you just to practice, find as many questions as you possibly can and work them. Make up your own problems and work them. Alright? So as usual, I encourage you to continue to like, and also you're liking the videos, like them. So just click on like them, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. Alright, let me know. Thanks for those who have been commenting, thanks for those who have subscribed, and those who have been liking and sharing the videos. Alright, I trust that you have been helped. And as usual, again, I'm encouraging you to subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you never miss another lesson. Alright, so see you next time. God bless you. Peace out.